Morning, ma'am. I'm Mark Pirata and I chose to oral disqualified for probation. Number 1. Those sentenced to serve a maximum term of imprisonment of more than 6 years. Number 2. Those convicted of subversion or any crime against national security or the public orders. Number 3. Those who have previously been convicted by final judgment of an offense punished by imprisonment of not less than one month and 1 day and or fine not less than 200 pesos. Number 4. Those who have been once on probation under the provision of this decree. And number 5. Those who are already serving sentence at the time the substantive provision of the probation law become applicable. That's all.